my first MYTEAM pack opening. It's just 50k, but I'll probably get some more along the way. We're gonna open some Moments Playoff Editions box. I know it's a little late, but better than never. Just so you know, I probably don't expect these packs to be good. Trevor Ariza, garbage. Even though any player is better than what I have now, so. J.K. Simpsons. Okay, Austin Rivers, our first playoffs edition card. Mellow, okay. Slowly getting better. At least there's a gold. Ty Lawson. Lance Stevenson. Hate that guy. I don't know why, I just do. Oh, another silver. Ninth pack. Not even in that actual lineup of a team. It's just garbage. Oh my gosh. Can I, like, not get a silver? Alright, now I'm just gonna do single packs till we run out of MT. I feel like it's just getting worse and worse and worse. I know earlier I said I was getting better and better, but it just went downhill from there. Okay, OKC player. My team. Oh, Danny Green. That's actually a really good card. Oh, collector level. D-League. That is going to be very useful. 10,000 MT. Let's go! Our first amethyst. What's it going to be? What's it going to be? Are you kidding me? Oh my, that's actually the worst possible amethyst you can get. And now that just sucks. First amethyst is a blow. Sorry for that screw up right there. That's probably the only other good pull we're going to have. DeAndre Jordan. Please be. Oh. Wow, 2K. This is probably. Oh, an amethyst. As we get a green bean logo. Not a green bean logo, but a green bean gang, aka GBG. Alright, that's the end of the video. Thank you